Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Things. So this is our new project, automatic rail ticketing system. So in this project we are using a step down transformer. So this is an bridge rectifier circuitry. So this is an voltage regulatory circuitry. So this is an motor driver IC. So this is our main microcontroller board, which is an Arduino Uno. So this is an 4x4 keypad matrix. So this is an liquid crystal display which show the parameter of the project. So this is an RFID reader which read the RFID tags. So this is our motor which is indicating as the gate controller. So in this project you will get the total 4 RFID cards. Okay, these are the RFID cards. Basically using these cards you can control our project. Okay, so the concept of our project is the cashless system for the controlling the ticketing system in the railway. Okay, so basically the we are skipping the counter of the railways by automatically scanning this card to the RFID. So then you can automatically access the gate. Okay, so like this system, the concept of automatic rail ticketing system is there. So let's see the working of the project. So as you can see here, right now it is in setup stage. So after setup stage, the display will show the kindly swipe your card. So these are the cards are there. So basically now I am using the card number 1. So whenever I type this card to the RFID reader, so automatically it will be detected by that card and it show the enter your destination. There are the total 4 destinations are there. Okay, so place 1, place 2, place 3, place 4. So place 1 is the 50 rupees charges, place 2 is the 100 rupees, place 3 is the 150 rupees, place 4 for the 200 rupees. So whenever I press the button, according to that amount of the card will be detected by our system. So basically I will press the first place. So as you can see here, so your destination is the first place. It is 950 rupees. Okay, so the thing is that all card carrying 1000 rupees in the starting phase. So basis on our distance, automatically the amount will be detected by the this project. Okay, so again I will type the card number 1 and I will press now the third number button. Okay, so as you can see here, automatically it is cutting that amount particular of that distance. Okay, so at a time you will get the access of the gate and also the buzzer will be alert. So like this system, card 1 and card 2 will work. So these are the card 1 and card 2 will work same. So and the another one is the student pass. So basically for the student purpose, so whenever they tap, so basis on that the distance. Okay, so it will show the student pass is validity till June. Okay, as of right now we may mention that details. So this card information we didn't add it to the microcontroller. So let's see the how it's react. So as you can see here, it won't allow you to access, okay, for the pressing the buttons. So like this system, the project concept is there. So if you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. Thank you for the watching the video.